Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna talk about how I make my own DIY fluffy paint or plumpy or kind of 3D textured paint for my mandala art. There are 3D outliners or some 3D glittery outliners are available in India, but the variety of colors are very less and most of them I don't use. So I have to make them on my own. First, I'm gonna show you the 3D outliners available online and offline within India. First is Fevicryl 3D outliner. Mostly I use their pearl color range. As you can see, the paint is not coming out, right? So I have to clean it before application. Let me show you how I clean it. The paint is really good, and after making some swoosh or tail, it will give you a really good 3D texture effect. But it is not good for dotting purpose, means for small dotting purpose. If you like to do some textured design like this, you can use it. Now this is Fevicryl 3D glitter outliner. Honestly, I never use them. There are two types, sticky one and the non-sticky one. Non-stickies are for dotting purpose only. They are not suitable for swooshes. You can watch it clearly in this video. I am not much fan of glittery things, especially for mandala. I love to use metallic paint rather than using glittery and neon colors also. Actually, I reuse this glitter paint bottle. First, I clean them with warm water properly, then I make my own DIY 3D paint. This is Camel Fabrica Cone Liner. I don't know whether they have metallic color range or not, but the properties and the outcomes are totally same like Fevicryl 3D outliner. Okay? Now let me show you how I make my own 3D paint. For this you need a squeeze bottle. I purchased them from Amazon and they retails around 300 rupees for 10 squeeze bottle. Actually I need to show you guys different kind of squeeze bottle with Amazon or Flipkart link, otherwise I simply clean that glittery paint plastic bottle which I have shown you before and reuse it. When I start doing mandala, I thought this glittery paint will look good, so I purchased so many of them and now I regret it. But yeah, I reuse the plastic bottles. Now watch it carefully how I am pouring the paint, and I am using here flash metallic paint. It's already been 24 hours and the paints are completely dried. Look at them. Fevicryl 3D outliners are really good. Just see. Fevicryl glitters are also good. They provide the 3D effect, but personally I don't like glittery things. If you like, you can use it. Now the DIY ones. Flash metallic paint I use for swoosh purpose, and if you want 3D effect, it will not give you that. It will become flat after drying and dots will get ruined. This is Camel Artist Metallic Paint. They are really good. I like them, and I have used this metallic paint on my previous art tutorial. You can watch that also. Okay? These are Brusto Metallic Paint, my favorite one. You can see the 3D effect, right? For the teal color I use very less amount of paint, that's why it is looking little bit flat. Otherwise all of them are good. The dots are also giving the 3D effect. These are Montmartre metallic paint. I used them for the first time today. This is kind of okay type, means these are not very good like Brusto or not very bad. It will give you moderate kind of 3D effect. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you on my next video. Bye.